Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make Game Pass in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, you just need to click on the Create Embed at the top of the screen and your Creators Hub will open up. If you can't access it for some reason, then try searching for create.roblox.com in the search bar and you will be sent here. Now, click on the Creations feature in the left side menu and your experiences will be displayed. Here, click on the Experience place and then look for Monetization in the left side menu. Once you find it, tap on the Passes feature under it and all of your available passes will appear on your screen. Now, in order to create a new pass, click on this Create button and then enter the required details. After you are done with that, click on Save and a new pass will be created. Now, open it up and then navigate to the Sales tab in order to put it on sale. Here, enable this slider, enter the required amount and save it. Note that you will be able to get only 70% of the earnings you make. So that's basically how you can make Game Pass in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.